everybody. So for this award ceremony for the EMS, I think as I mentioned on Monday morning, so clearly the very first task of the EMS is to organize this sort of annual meeting as we have this year in Reading. But I think another important one also is to have developed several awards which allow in some way to contribute to promoting development of science in Europe. So when I said, there will be mainly three parts there. So we will start with handing over, I would say, all but one of the EMS awards. Then in fact, the next one will not be an EMS award, and I will hand over to the Harry Houghton Foundation, who will present the very first, I would say, Harry Houghton Prize, and then we will come back for the silver medal, which is the highest award delivered by the EMS. So I would like to start with the Young Scientist Travel Awards. So we can move to the next slide, please. So this one is mainly given to support participation of outstanding students or scientists to various conferences. So clearly, this one is one of the conferences, but it's not the only one. I would like to mention here the award committee and their members who are preparing all those awards for the EMS and have done, say, a fantastic job there. So let's go now for the various awards, and I would like to start, if we can have for the next one. The first travel award is delivered to Estelle Blay Carreras, from the University of Barcelona in Catalonia, and it is for a paper on analysis of the decoupling between surface, heat flux and temperature gradients during afternoon transition. I have to say that her paper was delivered on Tuesday, so you might have missed it.
Thank you.
Sorry, ask all the recipients of the travel awards to stay around, and we'll have anyway also a group photo at the end. You can have so you want. What do you want to do? You want to do it's a travel award. That's okay? Thank you. The second Young Scientist Travel Award is to Miranda Brown, and she's from Wageningen University, and it's for her paper. But I would like to mention also that you may have missed that one, friends, because it was delivered yesterday. Now I know. I'll prepare this one already. So the third one is delivered to Alexander Kandorov. You are coming from Russia, from the university in Nizhny Novgorod. And it's for a paper that I think is going to be delivered, or it's a poster, going to be delivered tomorrow. So you still have a chance to go and see it. Thank you. Next travel award, Pavan Kulkarni from the University of Évora in Portugal, and for a paper which is also delivered tomorrow, so that you can have a chance to go and see. fifth one is offered to Christina Stawiarski from Karlsruhe University of Technology in Germany. And in her case, again, I'm sorry, you missed maybe a presentation. And for the sixth and last one, Petr Zakharov from the Institute of Atmospheric Physics in Prague, in the Czech Republic. And in your case, you still have some time, it's on Friday. Next time I will need a chair. Now, the next award we have is for the, let's say, the Outstanding Poster Award from last year. Today, you have a lot of posters during each of our annual meeting. It takes some time to write them, and some of them, anyway, you have not yet seen. So what we do is we have a jury which will go and analyze those posters. We try to say inform about the outcome before the end of the meeting, but the award is delivered during the next year's annual meeting. So the one who won last year this Outstanding Poster Award is the team with Jack Eyre, Hollis Cannon, Leg Pryor from the Met Office, and it was a poster showing UK climate trends as revealed by statistics. If you are, I'm sure you have already all seen it, but at least you can easily see it. It is on the back of the back cover of this year's program, and it is also available in the main corner of the lounge in here. So I suppose it is Raquel who is going to come for the poster awards. Is he here? No, we don't have the recipients. Okay, and therefore we will keep it, and hopefully we will find somebody who can hand it to him. So it's clearly the usual documents, and together with this prize which comes with it. By the way, for this year, so the this year's posters, so you have here the select committee who is currently roaming within the posters, looking at all of them. You see what are the criteria on which they base their evaluation, and they, the recipient will be announced this coming Friday in the foyer at 16:15. So if you want to know what's the result for this year, but it will be, as I said, handed over during next year annual meeting in Prague. So moving to the now Young Scientist Award. So this one is presented annually, and it is clearly on the basis of a publication, and the award committee assess which very high quality paper I think has been published. And this year, this Young Scientist Award is presented to Geert-Jan Stineveld, and it is for a paper in JGR, quantifying human Earth Island effects and human comfort for sitting of variable sizes and urban morphology in the Netherlands. So we're not very close to it, but there will be a paper presented by Geert this coming Friday, so in case you have also a chance to see his work and possibly to ask him some questions. And you probably have realized that we will continue to hear about Geert later during this afternoon. So if you want to come in. Now, the remaining awards are about now the awards from the media team, and one of them is about broadcast meteorology, has been, I would say, already given to Dimitris Diakopoulos because he was here yesterday, but we knew that he would not be able to be with us this afternoon, so it was presented to him at the end of the media session yesterday. So I would just mention that, and he has been the presenter on television in Greece for 29 years, and is really seen in Greece, I understand, as the face of meteorology in this country. So now the next award is for Outreach and Communication Award. I think the recipients, Siri Kalvik, had the opportunity to give a presentation again during the media session yesterday, and this award is presented for her outstanding abilities and initiatives over 20 years to promote knowledge on meteorology, weather and climate, as well as environmental awareness to the general public. I would like to add probably a few things about Siri. So clearly that's mainly the reason why she was given this award. She probably has done much more than that. She has also created a successful private company in meteorology in Norway, Storm Weather, and which I know because I think I had the chance of having this company as a customer when, or welcome as a customer when I was at CCNUF. So she has, in addition to doing all this work for promoting, developed that company, and with all those achievements, she sort of become a sort of role model mainly for women in science in Norway. And for those of you who attended the session which took place on Monday evening, I think that's exactly the sort of person which we would be looking to attract more women in science, and understand that even reflects in the fact that although many sectors of science still have some difficulties in recruiting women, it seems that it's not the case for meteorology in Norway. So really well done if you want to help Siri. By the way, this is recognized in Norway as the Siri effect. So, now you. I hope you have a bit suitcase. Yes. So that's for the first part.